So last night I finished my last video for this month, and today I have to start packing my room because this might just be the last video that I'm taking in this room because I'm moving to a new studio. I'm gonna miss this room. What is good, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do, no, not really. This time I'm not doing a tutorial or a tips and tricks video. This is just me packing my room, just wrapping my things because I'm moving to a new studio, and this room is special to me because this is where all of this started with you guys on YouTube. So I thought as a memory for the room, as something that I will look back in the future, I thought I'll just make a video in which, I show how I packed my room and basically just the last video in this room. So kind of emotional, but not really, because I'm moving to a new studio, much bigger than this and with a lot of space. A lot of good things will happen there with your support, definitely. So let's hope for the best. Let's start the packing. I have just completed packing all of my clothes. I have left a few aside because I have an event. That's right. Yes, finally, I have an event on the 23rd at the Leela Palace, and I have taken out some clothes for that. It's a private party actually. It's a wedding. So I might just do a vlog about that as well. So stay tuned. Coming up next, I think it's time to pack my camera gear, my DJ equipment, my speakers, my other cupboard with all of the other things. Let's continue. Okay, I think I'm done with almost most of the things. Just little things here and there needs to be packed. Whew. I think I need a break. Let's make some chai. So the story is that I'm actually moving to a new flat, and in the new flat I have a room for myself. This is actually my bedroom. I started YouTube from my bedroom, but now after seeing the way things are going, I decided to get myself a separate room, and I think I'm going to try my level best to convert that into a studio. Obviously, because there is no other way to work right now. I can't really go out because our studio is somewhere else. I have to move everything to my home and put it in that room from where I'm gonna shoot a lot of my YouTube videos. So guys, if you have any suggestions that you want to make, any recommendations that you have about the studio, it could be anything. If you want me to stand and speak, sit and speak about something else, not speak at all or anything, okay, just let me know guys, because I'm interested let's try and build, our YouTube studio together. I'm interested if you guys are, but even if you guys don't respond, I have something in mind, but I'm not gonna tell you all of that right now because even I don't know. I have to check where I'm gonna place my computer, where I'm gonna place my camera, where I'm gonna place this desk, where I'm gonna place a lot of the equipment that I have, and that is when I will decide how my studio will look. I'll have a fair idea about it after I move. Whew. I'm gonna miss this room because this is where everything started. But I'm happy about it because I'm moving to a new place, to a place where I can do whatever I want to do, and I don't have to break things and keep it back in its place every single night. I had to actually remove everything and put it back in the cupboards there. It was a lot of work, guys. But that's okay. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And when this lockdown happened and we are all stuck at home, so there was nothing else better to do than to help you guys get what you wanted technically. I know that a lot of people have seen my video about how to go live. It's got about 85-90,000 views on YouTube, and I made a playlist about that entire series, everything to do with using OBS and going live. I got a lot of messages from a lot of people asking for help, and I tried to help as many people as possible. Whew. A lot of things happened, guys, in this very room. It's okay. I'm gonna move to a new place. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna do better work. Thank you so much for all your encouragement, and thank you so much for all of the love that you guys give me and my YouTube channel. I am very thankful to you guys, actually. Alright then, I think I'm gonna wrap up this video for today. Hopefully the next video that you will see will be in the new studio. It may not be set up by the time I shoot that video, but it's okay. You guys will understand. I know that. Even if the studio is not set up, I will still make videos and I will still stick to my schedule of every Tuesday and Friday. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help. Thank you, guys.